That that public statement made by Mr. Drumgold, that surprised me. It didn't seem to be like the sort of thing an Australian Crown Prosecutor DPP would be doing. It reminded me very much of what we see in the United States, where we have you have elected district attorneys. And the most recent example of that was Mr. Bragg in New York, who was out to get Donald Trump and gave all sorts of media interviews and behaved very much like a politician. And I was astounded, I must say, by Mr. Drumgold's statement, as I was equally astounded by Miss Higgins' statement straight after the case closed.
No, I'm not surprised. They're both extraordinary developments in criminal justice. I don't think we've seen anything like this before, and I hope we never. It must raise doubts in the public mind about the politicisation, the lowercase p politicisation of criminal justice, whether people inside the system taking sides, or whether they're still committed to the objective and impartial collection of evidence and exercise of the power of prosecution. It's a significant power, the ability to prosecute somebody, to place them before a court and present them with an indictment that could deprive them of their liberty. It should be beyond politics, lowercase p, and let's hope it stays that way.
Yes. There were political overtones or undertones, weren't there, in this? There seemed to be a great concern as we approached the election, by the Liberal Party, who allegedly had a woman problem. And of course, the opposition was taking advantage of that. But what I found astounding was when the Prime Minister made the announcement in the Parliament, and I think Miss Higgins was there in the Parliament, and he apologised to her for the terrible wrongs which had been committed against her. And I thought, well, how does that fit with the presumption of innocence?
Well, the answer is it doesn't. That was a very bad mistake, and the former Prime Minister, Mr. Morrison, did seek to walk that back. I think he was just completely unaware of the significance of what he was doing when he apologised to Miss Higgins for the terrible things that happened in this place. I.e., he accepted implicitly that terrible things happened in Parliament House. This is before Miss Higgins and Mr. Lerman were able to tell their stories before a court. That's not the only occasion, though. That was spectacular, but equally as notable was the speech that was given after a Logi's presentation, which caused a temporary stay. That featured before the Soften Off inquiry as well.